These giant caught-on-camera videos are blowing up right now, pulling in millions of views on Shorts and TikTok. I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself using a simple workflow we created. First, head over to our website, aicenturies.com, and open the GPT library. Search for Giant Cam and click Start Chat. This custom GPT does one thing. You pick a giant and it gives you one photoreal image prompt plus one linked video prompt of that giant caught on a real camera. Click the conversation starter that says show me the giant menu. You'll get a menu, choose the one you want. Type a number to pick one. Type your own idea or type more for fresh ideas. I type giant weathered hand from the sky and send it. The GPT picks the scene for you and builds two prompts. A text-to-image prompt and a text-to-video prompt that continues the same shot. Copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. Go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Under Model, select Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt. In the output settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for shorts, and the resolution to 2K. Then click Generate. You'll get a photoreal shot of the giant hand breaking through the cloud layer, taken from the deck like a real passenger filmed it on their phone. The haze, the backlit God rays, and the tiny fairy in frame are what sell the scale. Open the image and click Frame to Video. The image loads as your start frame. Under Model, switch to Seedance 2.0. Turn the audio on and keep the mode on normal. In the output settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the resolution to 1080p, and the duration to 10 seconds. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the text-to-video prompt and paste it in. You'll get a 10-second clip that looks like someone caught a mile-high hand on camera from a cruise ship. You can repeat the same process with any giant on the menu. The Frost Ice Titan and the Great Helm Crusader Titan give you the same phone camera realism with a completely different monster. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.